Yo, good afternoon, guys. Yeah, I just got home and it's already 2:32. I didn't vlog along the way because I forgot the handle of this camera. Yeah, because I was in a hurry this morning to go to work because I start at 5:30. I received this package. I am actually not sure what is this. Yeah, but I am expecting a package from Rode. Yeah, the microphone company. And I'm also expecting package from Amazon, but I believe it's still like 1 week more. That is why I am not sure what is this. Oh, is this? Oh yeah. So yeah, this is from Rode. So basically, I bought this Rode Wireless Go last year, but the company they created this kind of dead cut, but it's easy to lose. If you remember last time, I lost it and I found it again. So I request for a new one. So this one is a little deeper, bigger. And you know this Rode microphone, this Australian company, and they are also making the product here in Australia. I am now preparing my meal, and it's going to be this mungo beans. Yeah, I cook it very quick last night. And I'm cooking the rice, not yet ready. Yeah. And yesterday I put that there because it was a little damp when I take it from outside. I'm just going to pour it. Yo, good afternoon, guys. Yeah, we are going home now. I just stopped here to make a different intro. Yeah, we are going home. And today I start my duty at 6 o'clock. No, 5:30. I start my duty 5:30, same like yesterday. And I finished just now around 2:30 when I sign out. This morning was really cloudy and it was a little rainy last night until early morning, but now it is beautiful like this. We are going first to the town center to withdraw money from the ATM machine, $250 for the house rent every week. Very beautiful. And again, we are here in the place where the birds usually attack me whenever I pass here. But it's been a week, more than a week now, that this bird is not attacking me anymore. Yeah, no more. No more bird. Yeah, no more. Good. And this is how it is here at the moment. There are few people in there walking their dog. If I'm not mistaken, dog is allowed in here. That is the reason why there's no so much people swimming in here. Yeah, but you can swim. It looks clean. Also, the people here, when they are having their dog, they also carrying a plastic. I mean, there are plastic everywhere, like a post where they can take the plastic to pick the poo of the dog. Yeah, okay, we go. Oh, during my break at around 11:30, I read a message that I got a package waiting for me in the house. Good afternoon.
Hey, how are you?
Good, good. That package is coming from Amazon. Yeah, I bought it from Amazon maybe 3 days ago. And they are delivering it very fast. Yeah, very fast. Like I ordered that maybe 3 days ago. Because I also have the membership with the Amazon Prime. If I'm not mistaken, if you become a member of Amazon Prime, you will have access to Amazon Music, and quick delivery of your order. And Amazon Movies yet, I think also. Yeah, there are many features. And yeah, I tried their membership. And I am now home, but yeah, there is no package. Yeah, maybe late, but it says it's delivered. Okay, so actually this is the one that they delivered today. Yeah, I didn't see it is on the other door. I already called in the call center of the delivery, and they said they delivered, they put it on the glass door. So this one is basically a dead cut for the microphone. And I'm expecting another one, a monopod. Yo, good morning guys. Yeah, we are going to work now. The time now is 5:40 and my duty today is 6 o'clock. This is how it is at the moment. It is still dark on that side and the sun is rising on that side. As you can see, its color, yeah, it's pink, red, something a little bit. Yeah, okay, we go. And I will see you later at 2 o'clock after my duty. Yo, good afternoon guys. Yeah, I just finished my duty at around 2:20 already when I signed out. Yeah, because there are some order that comes at exactly 2 o'clock when I was about to go. Yeah, so I did that order first because the other guys, they are busy with their things. Yeah, and it is very windy at the moment. Now I have this dead cut in my microphone, so I believe that at least it listen or reduce the wind noise. Yeah, so I put it yesterday. I mean, this dead cut, it arrives yesterday together with this handle that I am using at the moment. It arrived yesterday and I fixed it yesterday and now I'm ready using it. Nice. Okay, so we're going to reverse it. Okay, it's good. It's small now. And we're just going to trim this hair later on. Yeah, it's really very windy. Okay, we go. And this vlogging setup is now my my final setup. I like it very much. It's this way, and because it is super windy this time, yeah, those people, they are preparing their kite glider, kite surfing. Yeah, I always forget. Oh, I forgot. I wanted to do some pull-ups in there, but yeah, I forgot. It's alright, next time. There are many dogs in there. They stop and they let me go through first. Oh, and here also they are preparing their kite surfing. Ah, they are pumping it. Oh, that is how it works. are now here in Albura Marina. This is how it is at the moment. There are some people there, they are waiting for the ferry, because the ferry that is going to travel on the other side will be coming by 3 o'clock. The water is very clear. You can see there's one cormorant hunting fish down there. 2 of them actually. Nice. And there are some people in there, they are sunbathing. Nice weather today, a little bit windy. Today I'm going to show you the setup of this camera, my vlogging camera, GoPro Hero 9. And I have this Telesen tripod monopod, extendable. This is perfect for outdoor vlogging. Okay, that's it. Rafael just called and he wants to eat the kebab. I don't know where. Yeah, but where he's coming here and we're going to meet. Yeah, they are going to the other side of the islands and tea garden. Oh, Rafael is calling. Okay, we are going home now.